this construction, there are some important mountains, that some of you have. Okay, like for example, that one which is Machu Picchu, or the Young Mountain, which is located in the north. Okay, with 2,800 meters above the sea level. So there is one original Inca trail which is going to the top as well. And it's steeper and steady, right? And if you see carefully, there are constructions in the top of that mountain. There are tunnels as well, right? So when you're gonna walk through the tunnels, do it slowly and carefully, okay? Because the tunnels are not wider, right, and taller enough, okay? So besides that, there is another mountain as well, which is located in the south, right? That mountain is the Machu Picchu mountain. So the name of this archaeological site comes from that mountain, right? So the name of that mountain means the old mountain, okay? Nobody knows which was the original name of this archaeological site. Why? Because there are not any about the use, and neither about the name of this place. But thanks to the archaeological diggings, right, thanks to the studies done to this place, nowadays we know more or less what was the use of this archaeological site and how many people stayed in this place and when was this archaeological site built as well. Okay? Machu Picchu was built, right, on the top of the mountain, right, on the top of the slope. So this branch where we are right now belongs to the Vilcabamba mountain range, okay? Which is the mountain range that we saw yesterday in the morning, okay? So where there are mountains with more than 6,000 meters above the sea level. The whole slope, right, is a huge granite rock, right? And that was the material that was used for the construction of this place. All the stones that you see on the surface, right, as well as the mountains in front of you, are granite rocks, okay? Which was the main building material used for the construction of this place, okay? So right now we are in the agricultural sector. So these terraces where you are right now were used for agriculture, but the main use of these terraces, are as retainers. And the retainers are going all the way down closer to the river, okay? So it means that the constructors, right, designing the retainer walls, they reinforced the structure of the mountain in order to build an eternal city, okay? An eternal construction, okay? And also places that needed to reinforce also were designed with retainer walls. This retainer wall where you are right now, amigos, is very intricate. The construction is very intricate. If you excavate this place right now, what you're gonna see first gonna be the retainer wall, which is almost 45 centimeters wider, okay? Then inside you're gonna find first an aqueduct, okay, or a water collector. Then there is another layer with big stones, then another thicker layer with gravel, and the next layer is sand and the most fertile soil on the surface. What was the use of this composition, amigos? The use of this composition or these retainer walls work very well during the rainy season. Exactly. So it means that these retainer walls or the terraces are going to drainage the water down, and the water collectors are going to deliver the water to the main water canal, which is that wider gap, which is going all the way down to the river. So it means that torrential rain, right, was not strong enough to destroy this place. So for that reason, when the American Society of Civil Engineering came to this place, they discovered that 60% of the building material is located underground, and 40% all the constructions that you see here. But the constructions that are located on the surface, were provided as well with a huge hydraulic system. Okay, so it means that there are water canals everywhere that are going to evacuate the water as well during the rainy season. Okay, and the main water resource is located nearby, nearby the sun gate. So there is a spring. Okay? Yeah, because in between the granite stones there are natural depressions. So water is coming through these natural depressions. Okay? So there is a spring. So the constructors went to that place, right, or the stonemasons, and working the mountain, they designed a water canal to bring water supply to this place. So the main water canal is crossing the agricultural sector. It's going first to the first water fountain and then to the second one. So it means that the first one and the second water fountain were used for ceremonies. Okay? But there are 16 in total, so it means that the 14 left were used to get water supply. All right? To collect water or to decant water. Okay? Then as soon as they finished it, the foundations, they started to build the urban sectors, the ceremonial constructions, but besides that, the factory places that are the longer constructions in the bottom. All right? That were used by the workers. The workers stayed in that place producing textiles, ceramics, but besides that, ornaments made of gold as well as silver. Okay? The construction of this place, right, started during the ruling period of the Emperor Pachacuti, which was the 9th emperor in the Incan dynasty. This emperor was the most important one, according to the colonial chronics, right? Why? Because this emperor started a massive military campaign in order to expand, the Incan land. Okay? But also this emperor ordered to build construction projects, and one of these projects was Machu Picchu. So for that reason, one of the main hypotheses about the use of Machu Picchu is saying that Machu Picchu was used as a seasonal royal retreat place. Okay? Because next to the rounded wall, there is a royal palace that was used by this emperor, right, during the winter season.